Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use Corona Scatter in 3ds Max. Corona Scatter is very helpful for realistic landscape. There are so many features in Corona Scatter which I'm gonna show you in this tutorial. It will also help to optimize the file. It's very easy, just in few steps you can learn it. Before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So in 3ds Max scene, here is our objects. First, in the geometry I will create the plane object. Now in the geometry, scroll down. Select Chaos Scatter. Make on viewport. In the scatter option, first we will select the surface. In second option, we add the scatter objects. As you can see, we can increase and decrease the quantity from here. Down in the display and limit options, we can maximize the view quantity and object preview, but it will slow your viewport. Better to not use preview options if no need. In the scatter transformation option, you can adjust the size and create the variation. There is one very useful option, Instances Editor. Click on Edit Instances. Use the brush. Adjust brush size. You can create more. Also, you can erase it. As you can see, if other object not getting erase, then unmark the erase only placed instances. If you want to create the path, you can create the path like this. And there is other way to create the path or way with spline. Create the line path. Scatter option in the areas. Add spline. Remove the spline from here. We need to exclude the area, so use the excluding option. Now creating the another scatter option. Add surface. Add scatter object. Make the count 0. After that, instance editor. Use the brush. and create. This size the too big. Adjust the size in transformation. With brush you can create according to your scene. Now creating the another scatter option for the trees. Add surface. Add tree. Make the count. Adjust the size. You can also use the rotation option if need. With the instance editor option, you can also easily adjust the objects. As you can see, hope you will like this tutorial for you scene. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos, and leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.